So I have tried several custom ROMs on my devices, and which are those features which I liked a lot actually. I have used a lot of custom ROMs, so some of the features I personally liked in the latest versions of all of these ROMs. Let's have a quick look at these or some of these features. First of all is lock screen clock styles. These are some of my favorite features, by the way. So it's not like that these features are unique or something like that. It's just like this is a video about some of the features I personally like, I personally love in a custom ROM. We are talking about lock screen clock styles. This is one of the great features I personally like because customizing lock screen is one of my favorite things doing in a custom ROM. So that's good. We have a lot of things to customize, and in many custom ROMs, we are getting lock screen clock style. So it's not something related to only a single or particular custom ROM. If we move on to three finger swipe gestures, there was a time when we saw three finger swipe, like three finger screenshots in almost any device, any ROM, and so on. And now, from some time, we have the option to customize the three finger swipe gesture. For example, if you're comfortable with the screenshot by some buttons and so on, the combination, you can customize the three finger swipe gesture to do some other action. So that's quite useful. Another thing is keybox. That's a quite outstanding thing, especially if you're into custom ROMs and you actually want to use some banking apps on a device. It's not a foolproof solution like you can simply import keybox and you're good to go. It's just like without rooting your device, only install a custom ROM, and most of the custom ROM have the option to import keybox, and you'll be able to fix strong integrity, and many apps will work because you are not rooted in a custom ROM and you have strong integrity. So most of the banking apps shall work for you. That's a very useful thing. Another thing I liked in a custom ROM is hiding the developer status. That's just so useful. It is actually too useful. What this does is, for example, if I enable this thing, sometimes I use the banking app that detects my developer options are enabled and so on. I need developer options in some cases, and to hide that thing, that ability is available in a custom ROM is just one of the best features I personally liked a lot. Another thing is disable flag secure, or you can say ignore Windows secure flags. That's also so useful. It's not for some other kind of illegal purposes. It's simply like sometimes in a banking app, I actually want to take a screenshot to show someone some actual important thing. And the banking apps does not allows you to take screenshots. In that case, this thing comes. We also have one of the features which I was actually not thinking that I will include it, but yes, I'm talking about dynamic bar. As I'm using Poco F5 for the past few days as my primary phone, just because of some reasons, I have used dynamic bar. It's so useful, especially for clipboard access and to simply do some quick actions. This is really useful in that scenarios. If you use dynamic bar a lot, you will definitely feel some notice in your day-to-day usage. One more thing, which is last but not the least to sum up this video, is widgets. To quickly access some things directly on lock screen, this is one of the most useful things. It's only about implementation, so maybe if you're using any other custom ROM, the widgets implementation might be different. The style to customize those widgets and so on may be different in your case. But yes, again, in many custom ROMs, we have lock screen widgets available. And yes, I am just loving these things. So this was a quick and short video regarding some of my favorite features in a custom ROM, why I like custom ROMs a lot. Let me know which one is your favorite, or maybe if you have something else to talk about. This is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this, make sure to drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.